Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Quickstep is not responding problem. So let's see the solution. First of all, you need to open settings. So find settings and just click on settings, and then just scroll down and find app and click on it, and then here you can see app management. Just click on it. Now click on search bar and search Quickstep. Just search Quickstep and click on it, and then here you can see many options. Just click on storage uses and then just clear data and click on delete, and then go back and click on permission manager, and here just allow all permission. Now go back and click on force stop. Just click on OK. Now go back and normally reboot your phone. After all this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.